Hi, I'm Julia, and I had a problem with bot followers. At first, I didn't realize it, but my tweets weren't getting much engagement, even though my follower count was pretty high. So I started digging. I logged into Circleboom, and it told me that 15% of my followers were bots. That's a huge number, especially if you've been on Twitter for a while and have built up a large audience like me. So I decided to clean up my account and get rid of those fake followers. Here's how I did it. First, go to Circleboom Twitter and log in. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and click on Followers. From the dropdown, select Fake/Bot Followers. If you're targeting inactive users instead, you can choose that category directly too. Now you'll see a full list of suspected bot or fake followers. Click Filter Options to refine the list. You can filter by engagement level, verification status, inactivity, and more. Once your list looks good, you can select individual users or bulk select them using the checkboxes. Then, click the Remove Followers button at the top. You can also remove one by one using the red remove icon. A confirmation will pop up. Click Remove Followers to proceed. Now here's the key part. Since this process uses Circleboom's Chrome extension, you'll be asked to install it. After that, Circleboom will automatically add your removal tasks to the extension queue. Click the Start button to begin the removal process. And that's it. The fake followers were gone, and my engagement instantly felt more authentic. If you're serious about growing a real audience, cleaning up bots is a must. Happy Circlebooming!